Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before school, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila. I'm from the KPI class, Islamic Communication and Broadcasting Study Program. Here I will explain and lead about tips and tricks in doing EPT Aksimin. These tips and tricks are very important for you to know because in doing EPT Aksimin you must first know the tips and tricks in doing EPT Quotation, and that is important for you and can make it easier for you to do quotation in the EPT test. And can help you can go grades, and with you good grades can help you in academic. The first thing we have to understand in each test format. In the EPT test format consists of four main parts: listening, reading, writing, structure, and each section has tips and tricks in working on each quotation in the right way. So make sure you can remember the tips and tricks from each that have been determined. The main key in working on EPT quotation is to know time management in working on each quotation, because with your being apply to management your time management you will get good result. Immediately here I will explain the tips and tricks from each that have been determined. The first in listening. In listening, we must focus on the sequence speaker, because it often happens that the answer to the quotation is in the sequence speaker. The second, in listening, we must pay attention to the answer quickies that are synonym, because if you find a synonym for the keyword in the answer quickies and likely that may answer quickies in the answer, and the list on avoid word that's so similar and find the topic of quotation in the quotation and secretly the first sentence of the recording. Tips and tricks for working on EPT quotation in the reading section. The first in the rear the form of quotation that often appear and quotation that often appear will not be far from asking about reading topic, main idioms and paragraph, about synonym or synonymy of word. The second is to check the quotation carefully and never read the reading text directly, but first read the quotation, because not all of the information in the reading will be asked. Therefore, you must focus on understand the quotation in the quotation that you will be able to save time. The third is to benefit from skimming and screening reading text quiz, and the focus to difficulty formula and get used to break quotation, and by attention to the time while working on the quotation. In working on EPT quotation in the reading section, you must also know the tips and tricks. First, you must read the quotation carefully. Second, you must create and clear structure essay and the time giving in very short so DVD you time will. Third, petition word the lively time and the end of the text to reach you essay. In working on EPT quotation in the structure section, you must also know the tips and tricks. First, you must understand quantitative noun and quantitative noun. Second, understand the as of article. Then understand subject and verb greeting. For understand active and passive voice. Understand the as of modal and verb infinitive verb. Understand the verb before after the war too. That is all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.